What's up everyone, this is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? Today I'll be taking all of you with me on my trip to Phuket, Thailand that I went during the end of last year. I stayed at a hotel called JW Marriott Phuket and will look to share with you in vlog style the beautiful time that I had. Okay, so you instantly have this nice woody view of the hotel, and right here to your left you have the bathroom, which is pretty huge. They have a nice bathtub with one of these doors that connect to the living room, and you can just slide it for some privacy, just like that. Now you have a private bathroom. You have 2 complimentary bottles of water with a sink. You have aromatherapy associated soap and all those other amenities. You've got this nice shower with these aromatherapy shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well. The toilet there. And let's move on to the living room. Here it is. You have a nice mini bar. Hey, this is actually the same as the one that I have in my room. You get these complimentary drinks. I already opened one water and I put another one in the refrigerator here. It's kind of dark and you can't see, but you've got an open fridge, so you can, if you have anything you want to make cold, you can just put it right in there. So you have the closets right here with the old-fashioned iron table and a bathrobe with some nice hangers. You got your slippers. I'm wearing one. And right here, you always have your safety box and some drawers you can put your stuff in. Alright, so now let's go to the living room. Living room, the bedroom, I guess. Let's go. So right up here, you get your nice TV, and that, sorry, is my mask over there. And here, I got a king-sized bed. Well, I like this. I like this color. It's nice. You have your working table, and I booked a ground floor, so I have full access to the garden, and I'll show that to you later on. What I actually love about this hotel is this area here. Look at this. You just have a random chill area where you can just relax. Oh, this is so comfortable. I could sleep here. I think I could sleep here, not the bed, but here. I just noticed that we have a visitor with us. Hello. Okay, so that is about it for the room, and let's take a walk around the whole hotel and see what we get. It's pretty huge. Look at this. This is the whole map. Right now we are here somewhere. I want to go look at the gym and maybe do a quick workout later in the day. Let's go. Oh, it's pretty stiff. I like it. It's good for my back. Let's go. morning walk to the beach. Look at the view, it's just beautiful. It is a little bit after 6 p.m. I just did my workouts and I think I'm gonna go see the sunset because it was sunny today. Let's go. So I ordered some room service tonight. I ordered some tom yum goong. Take a look. Alright, so let's see how it tastes. The shrimps. It's good, it's good. They asked me how spicy you want it. I said not too spicy. And it's pretty mild, but a little bit still spicy. It could have been a little bit more spicier. Anyways, still good. Oh hey, I'm packing up. Day 3, leaving back to Bangkok. Before I leave, I will be going to get some breakfast at the buffet. Still a little bit sleepy. It's like 6 something in the morning. Okay. Can you see this huge mosquito bite? It's so itchy. And here too. And then here too. Packed and ready to go. It was a nice day. Thank you very much, JW Marriott Phuket. Let me go to the lobby, check out, see if there's any transportation. If not, I'll order Grab and back to the airport. and I'll be back in Bangkok before noon, hopefully.